Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by scaffolding the project and starting with mobile-first thinking. Open index, HTML and add the responsive meta tag, then link styles. CSS, this ensures proper scaling on phones. Once done, add a CSS reset and set box sizing to border box so layout calculations stay predictable. Define CSS variables for colors and spacing now, because changing them later is tedious. Make 3 breakpoints for small, medium, large screens, and keep file structure organized for fast iteration. You now build the layout using grid and flexbox so elements adapt naturally. Start the header with flexbox for alignment. Use grid for the hero and project gallery to control rows and columns. Apply clamp to headline sizes so text scales smoothly, and ensure images use width, 100% and height, auto to avoid overflow. Once structured, refine container widths with min-width media queries, and make cards reflow from one column to multiple columns as the viewport grows for consistent responsiveness. You finish by polishing access and performance so your portfolio feels professional. Add focus styles and area labels, optimize images with src set, and preload critical fonts. These steps improve both UX and load speed. Then test with device emulation and Lighthouse for actionable issues. If layout breaks, check cascading order and specificity first. Often a misplaced media query or fixed width causes overflow. Make sure to inspect computed styles and remove any hard-coded widths to quickly resolve responsive issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.